Hello, what's up YouTube? Let's be here with the most exciting opening ever. Once again on Minecraft on Tech, and this time I want to talk about 3D printers and how they are going to change your gaming life. Anyway guys, here's how 3D printing is going to change your gamer's life. Now think about it, okay? 3D printers can print in a variety of materials: plastic, sandstone, metal, glass, if not whatnot. And I think there's like a carbon fiber 3D printer coming on the way, so yay. But here's the thing. While 3D printing is nothing new, it's been around for quite a while, but it's mainly an industry thing just to do like a little small sample thing. But now it's finally available to the consumer, and here's what I was thinking what you can do with it. Like guys, has this ever happened to you? Like, let's say you're like me, right? And you want a keyboard for your own personal rig. However, you're very particular to a certain type of keyboard. Me, I love the Lenovo keyboard that they just put on all their laptops. I think it's absolutely the best. I love the chicken styles, the key depth, the nice little curvature to match with your finger, and they got the perfect width. Only problem is they don't sell that keyboard. Dude, I know I could look on eBay for desktops that might have that keyboard, but they don't sell that keyboard for desktops. And see, that's what pissed me off. That's my favorite keyboard there. I love it for typing and gaming. Now, here's the thing. All mechanical keyboards, right, have removable key switches. And they are built upon a standard, which is usually Chairmax, or they use KL switches. But point being is they're built upon a standard. They have removable key switches. So, dude, my dilemma is solved. What I can do is like, I don't know, take a picture of my keyboard, send it to like a place who does 3D printing, and have them 3D print my very own Lenovo style island chiplet keys that I can put on a mechanical keyboard. And hopefully put the O-ring mod on it, because I don't like keyboard noise. But point being is like, dude, I can get something like a Corsair RGB keyboard, custom print my own keys, put that on top of it. I can have RGBs and my favorite chiplet keys. Yeah! But point being, that's just one thing you can do with 3D printing. Another thing you can do is like, you can 3D print your mouse, man. Like, you can take your mouse apart, assume you have a mouse that can be taken apart. You can 3D print like your own custom design, redo the layup of it, you know, the looks, because maybe the looks don't agree with you, but you can have that thing 3D printed. So let's say you're trying to do a color build, but nobody ships a mouse, or your favorite mouse doesn't come in the color you want. 3D print that sucker, dude. Like, dude, this is gonna change everything. Because imagine if you have any problem. Like, let's say you're doing a build, right? You got this sick water cooled build in your system. Only problem is your stupid graphic card is leaning over because the stupid tubing is too heavy. And I don't know about you, but I hate seeing that. That always just looks like my card is gonna break when I see that stupid not my card, but every time I see like a nice like water cool custom loop water cool system, and they got that leaning graphic card because the tubing's too heavy, it's like, dude, that's gonna break. It's gonna snap in half, and you're just gonna be pissed because now your graphic card's broken, your stupid loop is busted, water got everywhere, and now you're over here calling up every warranty from every maker that you use, hoping somebody will cover the damage. Dude, instead of going to that nonsense, why don't you 3D print your own custom support? Like, think about it. And not only that, let's say you're trying to make a color build and fans don't come in the color you want. Instead of, you know, painting colors, there can be paint staining. And like, you know, you put too much paint on it, you mess up the paint. You can 3D print the fan blades in any color you want. Dude. So yeah, you can do things like 3D print the fan blades, 3D print custom support so your graphic card doesn't lean because it's effing horrible. You can do like more custom builds, like have stuff inside your builds just to look awesome, like extra places to put lights because you 3D printed them. You can get rid of the plastic bits on your like machine if you don't want them. Have them 3D printed in metal. I'm like, dude, I'm just saying, 3D printing is going to be awesome. It's going to change how you just customize stuff and make it your own. Because now you don't have to worry about whether or not the stupid OEM provides you with the stuff you want. Now you can just go ahead and 3D print any customization you want onto your parts, assuming they're like the terrible, replacement parts available type thing. Like, dude, you can 3D print a case for your phone, your own custom design, own custom look, everything. So I'm kind of freaking out because I think 3D printing is just going to be the future, because you're going to be able to do so much stuff with it to make like the stuff you buy yours. You can 3D print headphones, my friend. You can make your own bloody headphones. Just think about it. You can already buy speakers separately. You buy some speakers, you 3D print like a frame to go with it. You can have your favorite speakers blasting the music you love into your ears with a design of your choosing. Dun dun dun. But yeah, as I get crazy into 3D printing, let's be honest here. If people are gonna do stuff like that, you know what's gonna happen. It's gonna be one or two few people who go on the internet, shows off a video of their cool stuff, gets a whole bunch of views, then all of a sudden everybody and their grandma's trying to block it because like, no, you're using our patterns and blah 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 this and blah 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 that. Guys, let's be honest. Okay, I'm gonna tell you something before that whole entire thing blows up. If you 3D print something, right, and you're using it for your own use, let's say you 3D print a Lego, right, and it's like for your own personal use, you're not planning to sell it, you're not going to do anything of that, you just want to 3D print your own Lego for whatever reason, it doesn't matter what Lego says. If you want to make that part and it's just for you, you have the right to use it, you have the right to show it off, and you have the right to appreciate it. Okay? So you don't have to worry about any lawsuit comes from these big companies like, oh no, you can't do that. No, if you 3D print, like you can 3D print Beats headphones for all I care. The maker of Beats headphones cannot attack you if you do not sell that product, okay? So don't be afraid to 3D print. And when OEMs do some bullcrap about 3D printing to allowing people to create their own stuff and ripping off our awesome products and blah 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 this and blah blah that, remember, this is always for your personal use, then you are never to blame. Although they'll probably go after whoever 3D printed for you. So guys, yeah, protect the 3D printer service and 3D print yourself if you can. Just saying. But yeah. Anyway guys, I'm actually looking forward to 3D printing. I hope it gets a more widespread adoption, hopefully easier to make, because it seems like you're going to be able to do some epic stuff with it, and I already have some plans to do some 3D printing. 3D printed dildo. Yeah! I am not removing that out in the end. But yeah. Oh, brother. To like the 18% of my audience who was female, that joke was for you. Okay, guys, if you like this, please be sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, support the series and the channel. I'm Cliff B, and I'm signing out. Bye, YouTube.